Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign permission sets to a profile in or to users in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply first, we need to go to Setup, and to do so, we need just to click on Setup, and then we need to go to Users. So let's search for users, and basically we go here, and then you will need just to choose any user, and you can start assign uh, to them some permissions or permission sets. So from here we will find the permission sets assignments, and you can edit assignments, and now you can start adding permissions. So as you can see, this is my set that I have created. You can add this permission set to this uh, user, and you can start add as many permission sets, and then they will apply all the configuration that you have in these permission sets to this specific user. So after that, you will need just to click on save, and now you have the permission sets that has been added to this user. So I will just delete it from the user, and then you can customize any user that you have in your organization, and simply you can just go to the users, choose any users, and then you can also see the profile that they belong to, and then you can just click to the user and add the permission sets. So simply, those were the steps that you can do to add permission sets or to assign permission sets to user in Salesforce. So thank you for watching and see you next time.